Hello and welcome back to another episode of Measurement in a Minute. I'm your host, 𝗦𝗧𝗔𝗬𝗧 with Lakeside Process Controls. And in today's episode, we're continuing our discussion around Roseman's differential pressure level transmitters. More specifically, we're looking at two different methods to set up two-seal assemblies. Now, the first method is called the balance system, and this is historically what has been done. As the name implies, in a two-seal system that is balanced, we have equal capillary lengths and equal flange and really diaphragm sizes on either side of this system. And so this logically makes sense. You'll have maybe 10 feet of capillary on one side, 10 feet of capillary on the other, same size flanges, same fill fluid. Makes sense, balanced system, seems like a natural, intuitive way how to build one of these systems. What is less intuitive is what we call our tune system, and actually has some big advantages. So what you'll notice is that the remote side, or really the low side, low pressure side at the top of the vessel, has a remote capillary. But at the bottom of the vessel, the high pressure side, we have a direct mounted option. Okay, and there's some good reasons for this that we're going to get into a little bit more of the math on the next video, but really some of the reasons are the fact that in a balanced system, the theory is that both sides actually help compensate for all temperature effects, because any sort of temperature effect on the one side should affect the other. The reality, though, is that that's actually not the case, and so it creates a couple of challenges. So as you can see in this balance system here, what happens is the transmitter is still mounted near the bottom of the vessel because that's where it's easy to see, easy to access, and do maintenance on. So you got to find some sort of place to mount it, maybe on some sort of pipe. Then we have this extra capillary that's left and just wrapped around, and so that actually creates some other effects that we'll talk about in the next video. Versus the tune system, it actually has an asymmetrical design in the fill fluid. So there's less fill fluid on that high pressure side versus that low pressure side. And that actually can work to our benefit to help reduce the total error. And like I said, we'll talk through the math of that in the next video, but you can also see another benefit is that because we directly mount to the bottom of this vessel, you don't have to worry about having excess capillary hanging around, as well as you don't have to find somewhere to mount this transmitter. It mounts directly to the vessel itself. Should you have any questions about our DP level transmitters or any other of our products, please reach out to us at www.lakesidecontrols.com. Thanks and have a great day.